Alright, now we continue. We continue to page 91 of our workbook. Page 91, workbook. Please take out your workbook. Okay, page 91, workbook, question 1. Well, actually, this is not a question, but this is for you to listen and say. Alright, look at this. I want you to read together with the teacher. Okay? Or we listen once first. We listen once first so that we get to know how to read and also the intonations, the pronunciation of the words and the sentences. Listen once first. Listen only. Alright? Later then only we read together. Listen.
Module 10. Workbook. Reading time. Activity 1. Listen and say.
We wash our hands to keep them clean. The cleanest hands you've ever seen. Use soap and water. That's the way to chase those yucky germs away.
Interesting, right? As you can see that the sound of this word clean, seen is quite the same. Way, away, see? That's why when you read it, it sounds nice, yeah? It sounds nice because the last two words of these two sentences, it sounds similar. Similarly, the last two words of these sentences sound similar. Okay? Now, you read. Yeah, you have to read it out. Read together. Read together. Ready? Go.
Module 10. Workbook. Reading time. Activity 1. Listen and say.
We wash our hands to keep them clean. The cleanest hands you've ever seen. Use soap and water. That's the way to chase those yucky germs away.
Alright. If you would like to, you can always replay this video again for many times so that you can read together with the teacher with the correct pronunciation and also the articulations or the intonation. Yes. Okay. Now we go to question 2. Question 2, it says that do the crossword. Number 1. So many letters here, you have to fill it in. Number 1, okay. You need this to look at germs. We cannot look at germs using our eyes because germs is just too small. We have to use an apparatus. We have to use something. Yeah. So what is that thing? Do you remember? Something very, very small. Okay, what is this? All right. If you want to do a bit of revision on the words, it can be found. Where is it? Here. Yes. Okay. Yeah? Okay, we read once only. Ready? Go.
Germs. Microscope. Soap. Wet. Dark. Ill.
All right. So, would you like to try yourself first in doing this? Do the crossword? Yes, I think you should. So, please pause the video and try to complete the crossword by yourself. Alright, we will discuss the answer later. Pause your video now. Alright, welcome back. Welcome back. The answer is this. Try, check your answer. If it is wrong, erase it and write down the correct answer. Okay? We read together. First, we read the explanation or the information and then we read the words here. Ready? We read together. Ready? Go. You need this to look at germs. Microscope. Something very, very small. Tiny. Yeah, it's tiny. Alright, you use these to wash your hands. Soap. They can make you ill. Germs. Alright, we go to the next activity, and I think this activity is fun. It says here, draw where you think germs would be. Where are the germs? Draw where you think germs would be. Where are the places that germs would be? That germs would be there. Okay, try. Make a circle. Yeah, make a circle. Where are the places? And then we will see if your answers, is it correct or wrong. Please pause and try to find out where the germs would be. Now, pause your video. Alright, welcome back. Let us look at the answers. This part, here and here. So we should have 5 places where germs would be there. How many places have you got it correct? Okay, now we proceed to the last questions for this lesson video. Read and circle. I think this is not that difficult. You can do it on your own first. Alright, please pause your video and try to do it on your own first. Pause your video now. Alright, welcome back. The answer, I think you should get all this correct. We read together. Yeah, we read together from the beginning. Ready, go. You can see germs through a microscope. Germs can make you ill. Germs like warm, wet, and dark places. Germs can get inside your body. You can stop germs. You shouldn't touch your eyes, mouth, or nose with your hands. And I like number 6 because it is really important nowadays. Alright, especially we have this COVID-19 pandemic, so you shouldn't touch your eyes, mouth, or nose with your hands. Alright, okay, we stop here. Thank you very much.